Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel. Let's start reviewing work using UiPath. In our UiPath integration series, as a next activity which we're going to discuss about detect language or language detection. So basically this particular model has been used to understand which particular language you are getting the queries, right? So in a real-time example, you'll be getting a request or service node tickets from across the world. So you have to route to the respective team. So when you're going to understand the particular language, right? So this will be a challenge. Or not only this, you'll be getting a couple of use cases where you're going to identify the language and understand the queries. So to overcome all these challenges, you're going to use our particular activity, which is nothing but detect language, which help you to quickly make your day-to-day task very simple. So here, similar to that, so you're gonna build a center model, all the stuffs which I have done in a previous, but now they are given a single activity which compiles all the stuffs in a single-handedly. So without wasting much time, let's quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio and start our today's session. So let me go to the UiPath Studio. So here, already I have added some annotation over here. So let me go to the activities. So just remember that you have to install this particular package so that you can get all these activities. So let me just scroll down. So here I can see all my activities, right? So in this, what the particular activity you're going to use here now? Detect language. So as soon as I do that, so my connection got established. So just a recall, if you didn't establish your connection, you have to click on add new connection so that you can establish your connection similar to this. So once you are done with that, so you can provide your text and get your output quickly. So let me take this as a first example. So let me take this up. Let me go here and then provide your input. So this is a string, that's why I just providing the double quotes. And then when it comes to property, here you no need to provide any stuffs. So they have inbuilt configure stuffs. And then so here you're gonna create your output variable. So detect language, right? So let's just go here, control K, where, and then so detect ng, perfect. So as soon as you do that, copy and then drag and drop a right line activity. Perfect. So let me try to remove this. So which you are done on a last exercise. Let's click on save this. Let me try to run this now. Okay, perfect. So it has been understood as a German now. So let's try to compare this in our Google. So let's try to copy this particular string. And then so let's go here, detect language. So you can see over here it is German, right? So which means our output is perfect. Great. So let me try to drag and drop the next one. Okay. So this is a C. So let me go with the next one now. Let me try to copy this and try to provide this now. So it's a Chinese, right? So let's try to compare here. It's a Chinese. Perfect. Let me go to the last one now. Let me just try to copy this. Let's go here. Try to provide this now. On save and then run. This is really very cool, right? So instead of creating your train pipeline, evaluate pipeline, and then deploying your ML skills, it's matter of a single activity where you're gonna drag and drop and utilize this. So it's a Turkish. Let's try to check over here. Perfect. So our output is very accurate, right? So this is how your life is getting easier when you're gonna understand the latest activity of UiPath. So it's gonna quickly help your process or workflow in a very quick manner. Okay, this is all about today's example. On our next video, let's discuss about few more activities in our UiPath integration stuffs. I hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.